Let me create Advanced Loft with the help of NX software. Go with the new document. Create one helix. With specific parameter of linear 250 and end value 1500. Pitch value is 500 and number of turns should be 2. Now hide this datum coordinate. Now create the datum plane. With the help of curve and point method, select this point and create another datum plane. Select this point and done. Now I have to create two profiles on these two planes. So first of all, create this sketch. For this particular point, go with the intersect point. Select this curve and OK. Now create the profile with specific radius of 50 diameter. Okay. Let me change value 100. Exit the sketch. Now on top of the plane, create this sketch. Select the intersect point. Okay, switch this point. Okay, circle with specific radius of 600. Oh sorry, diameter 600. Finish sketch. Okay, now hide these two datum. Go with the surface option, swept. Select this curve. Add selection and this curve. Now select the guide curve. Now shape is ready. Hide these two sketch. Go with the menu, insert, offset and scale and find out the shell command. Select this face and this face. With specific shell thickness is 10. Okay. Hide this helix and our object is ready.